Unemployment, look at what is causing. That is it. That is it. The country is so... I'm telling you. Abala strike. Look at the youths are on the road collecting money. This is why IWTech is advocating for the youths, for them to be gainfully employed. Whether for them to be gainfully employed. Look at the youths on the road. Look at them. They're on the road collecting money. Look at them. Look at them. They're blocking vehicles, taxing commuters, travelers to give them money. Is that the kind of society we want to be in? Is that the kind of, future generation we are building? Just look at this is Anambra State. The youths look at them. See, these are youths. Jobless youths. God help Nigeria. That is Igbo youths are really suffering. God. See how they have brought them so low. Slow and standing on the road, blocking roads, blocking vehicles from passing. Child. This is our youth. Nigerian youths on the road, inside the villages, blocking cars, collecting money. Government should do something about this. This is not nice at all.